If you only have a narrow space in a corner, then this wardrobe or walk-in closet design is right for you. The corner wardrobe is the ideal type of wardrobe for those who want to make the most of the space in a given environment, be it a bedroom or a small apartment in which to optimize every centimeter even in an open space. Nowadays, designing a wardrobe means imagining the solution that best suits your needs, but also the size of the room. Here, a corner wardrobe is shown as a great way to expand the space of a standard wardrobe. On the market, both in large-scale distribution and in custom-made furniture, there are different sizes and shapes. They range from the classic ones, i.e. with standard depths, which allow connection with other wardrobe modules, to the more particular ones, designed to complement elements with a reduced depth such as a bookcase, for example. When choosing a corner wardrobe, it is good not to underestimate its size. Height is also important, as these models can often be chosen at full height. In this case, it will be a priority to measure your ceiling before proceeding with the purchase.